Hello, and welcome to another update video about SUI. Yeah, SUI has followed pretty much nicely the microstructure, really on a micro level, to completion. I'm talking about this correction that started obviously here around the 12th of August. We have our ABC structure, and the C wave actually reached the 100% extension at 75.8 cents, which was the first ideal target, or typically it's generally considered an ideal target for a C wave. The way to measure that is that we take the length of the A wave and we compare it with the length of the C wave and the 100% extension. Even though it's not a maximum or a minimum, it is definitely an ideal level to watch. Ideal parameters, that's what I'm talking about. Now, if we then deal with the microstructures, yeah, we had a 5-wave move up, not up, down in wave C, and 5-wave movements typically lead to a reversal. So while really a confirmation that the 5th wave is complete is really only the break above the wave 4 high, that's confirmation, yeah, not certainty. I want to see more, you know. In yesterday's update, which I posted for our gold members on Discord, I highlighted that the triangle broke to the downside as anticipated. Remember, we talked in yesterday's video about this triangle a few days ago as well. And wave 5 to the downside could now be unfolding. Okay, so basically that means if wave 5, there were a few other things in comments, but basically what it meant was, like, with wave 5, we're in the last wave down. We have to be on high alert for a possible reversal. We talked about our trend line before, and that trend line is now broken. Does that mean we have to go higher? Well, it's definitely worth being on the side of caution here. There's nothing stopping this still to be a wave 4, maybe just a more extended wave 4 with one more low to come. I need to see a first 1-2 setup now on the smaller time frame. What does that mean? So it means the first rally, ideally in 5 waves again. We've already broken above the previous high, so yeah, it's an early indication we might have bottomed there, but again, it's highly questionable given what's going on in the space at the moment. So I need more confidence, okay? From a confidence point of view that we've really bottomed, confidence is low. So and also, SUI still has much space to the downside, could easily still stretch out to 72 cents, 65, or even 56 cents if it really needs to on this way down. Yeah, so that's the thing. And yeah, we're dealing here with this red trend line that broke. Maybe we do a retest or whatever, but I really need a first impulse and the first higher low in the pullback. So if it does this rally, maybe it gets another high, pullback and breakout, and that would be a good signal. That would be the next signal to watch for. But so far, I mean, SUI is one of the few that's actually doing something on the upside today. Many other coins are not. So there is, you know, it wants to, it's trying to, but if Bitcoin, for example, is setting up for the downside move that we've been watching, then I think SUI will have really difficulties to maintain that upside pressure. But we'll see. There have been instances where coins are moving sort of individually, independently, but you see how it's struggling, right? So yeah, essentially what I need to see is in the first decent pullback that is forming a higher low above 74.3 cents. Is it? Yeah, and then another breakout. Trying to count this is not useful. It certainly looks more like a corrective rally right now that would rather warn us that another low might happen. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.